DeBras, the gun lawyer.
We have a question from a T Crouch 51322 today. Is the background check for the CHL more thorough than just purchasing a firearm in Ohio? It is, in a way, because you have the application process that purchasing a firearm through an FFL does not have. But they do run a NICS check on you now as of the new law. So you have to be able to pass a NICS check, which is the federal FFL purchase background check, in order to get a concealed handgun license. So it's at least equivalent to, if not more thorough, because they're delving more into your background to make sure you're competent to have a concealed handgun license. I hope that helps. OhioGunLawyer.com, Derek DeBras. Be safe and carry on.